on each other. The Group A match number 12, India versus UAE. Up there for the UAE 11, one little change. Harsh Desai comes in. He was the processes. I reckon they would want to continue with.
Good morning, Neil. I'm the way we are no pushovers. This is what I like to see. And T10s are the 100 meters and T20s are the 200 meters. This is
gets behind the line of the ball nicely.
Is a good bowler. I've seen him in the couple of matches now and action. And look at that. He is trying to shape the ball away towards the slip.
Full and wide. Aryan Saxena will get a boundary.
It was far away and see, just
bowled him. You're talking about an aggressive little shackle that they're not picking up early wickets. I can take it all myself.
Yeah, this one was the look at it. He's bowled. This is the first delivery he has tried to the ball away from the right hander. The first one off cutter. He gets
edged. Big shout on the outside off. And a very simple catch for the wicket keeper.
You have to be tight. Look at that. How far from his body he played. Just flashing his bat. No real intent in the commentary box. Yajin Rai goes for a duck. It's
scored a well-made 84.
Edge, and this could be 4 on the 52nd. Finally, the power plays come to an end. It's 34 for 2.
That is to be expected from them. And, you know,
could change now as you're heading towards the business end of the tournament. D'Souza, the left hand.
Is coming at pace. Nicely threaded that through and reaches the boundary. That's very nice to watch.
What is it with left-handers? They look so elegant when they play those cover drive.
And they ended up with that brilliant 100. There you go. They've got one.
A lazy elegance by Ethan D'Souza. Whatever knocks I've seen him before. Left arm spinner coming round the wicket, creates the angle, the arm. And a good catch behind the stumps. Ethan D'Souza gone for 17. UAE 49 for 3.
Oh! Missed the ground. He's beaten the batsman, beaten the wicketkeeper as well.
The last delivery turned. And as you correctly said, Atul, it worked.
91, were you around? I was first time we went to.
Huge appeal, probably going down the leg side. LBW, that's a massive wicket for India.
Well, it took his thumb, but he reckoned it was missing 26 or 52 deliveries, and he has to bowling.
Oh, outside edge, genuine outside edge, and brilliant piece of outside edge again in the gap. Ayan Khan starts his innings with a boundary through the cow point.
Just try to excite the batsman. Look at that. In the air and the... Oh, there you go. Straight to hand. Trying to go past that area for a boundary. Couldn't control himself. Just
guiding straight to the slip fielder. Third important catch to dismiss Ayan Khan for 5. UAE in trouble. It's a fine line. In case you try to be aggressive and you get out, you look foolish. Probably you wouldn't be able to.
Camp. Driven well. That's going to be 4. Squad. A boundary to end the over. It's 82 for 5.
It's beautiful uppish drive. He knew he had to clear.
This is played well. This is just... Did it bounce just inside the boundary rope? I think the umpire might want there by Ryan Khan. But, you know, with the highlight here, with a wide-ish deep square, like, look at how he's gotten inside the line. And because to play the shot. So I think very clever batting. Well played, Ryan.
Change up. Oh, that's a good shot, that. See the tent I was talking about. He saw the ball and knows that there's not much rev. With that boundary, 29 overs gone. It's 103 for 5.
Mark, this is the man in which they got it. What a lovely looking shot that is. And went streaking away to the boundary. This is oh, shouldering arm, letting that go.
You don't take them seriously. This is what happens.
That's the way he got it. Used the width of the crease. He didn't read the line.
Well, the way he knows that he's a part-time bowler. I was harping about no tweak and no.
Not easy at all. And it has. Dot ball to finish the for four of the others. Yudhajit, they've all been very economical.
And a couple of other players who just are, just reach those long overs.
Well, he's making a go of it, and that has gone to the boundaries. Some relief for the batters. Some pressure.
Oh, that's perfect from Chetan Sharma.
Possibly tempted by the feel in the leg side, all in the serve. This occasion hits the timber. Middle stump it goes. Been very, very good. Nurullah Ayobi gone for 9. UAE 1. The best, I'll go probably Chetan Sharma.
Challenge here for Harsh Desai. Oh, that's well bowled. Well bowled. Did that back for this game.
Looking at the body language, yeah. Don't think so. Don't think so. Nicely played. Run out. Yes. Ayush Matre, I think, at mid-off.
See that direct hit to aim at. And he's got his man. He's got his man. Parvez Maruf.
2T. Running with the stroke. And in the end, pays up
50 overs. Not with shots like that, though.
And maybe after that, just swinging those Yorker hard. Oh, beautiful. Lovely. It had
This side. Look at that dip on the ball and then the curve and the turn out. If you leave those two partnerships out.
side. Googly. There you go. Is there an inside edge? Peel for LBW. Then he realized probably outside the off stump. And when you see in the hotel sometimes, but in the middle.
For putting the youngsters through the paces.
Oh, beaten again. He's in with his pace also.
Yes.
The Sri Lankan side who won the game, Sri Lanka have not played since they are India and UAE India. Usually, oh, that's a good bouncer. Very good bouncer. Batsman knows it's not going to be everything full for you. Very unhappy and disappointed with their performances. Full toss. And still will check whether it will be a west side full toss. It's possible.
I think he was looking for a Yorker. Slipped out of his hand. Mudit Agarwal's gone for 4. UAE are now 100.
Well, have a look at the previous.
Do it.
It does get a little frustrating. His bat in time. Good throw right on top of the stumps.
They've had in the past, the batting prowess their batters have shown.
Wanted to play. They get to learn how to. Even we could hear it, and the umpire had no doubts in raising the finger. UAE look.
Two, and they wrapped up the United Arab Emirates for 100 quarter-final when you think about it. UAE deciding to bat first. Akshat.
Yudhajit and Chetan shared the new ball. 5 wickets between them, and this kind of performance will help them if they were to qualify for the semi.
By taking a couple of early wickets. Alex got a Shams. Oh, he's not hanging about. It's up in there. Tension's very clear so early in the innings. Well, that'll be a souvenir. This young kid really.
The finals. Using his feet this time. Way above. Says he's making everyone take notice of him. If I
said, I am going to make amends. Look at them. Lovely shimmy down the wicket. Getting.
One more.
He is in a different mindset. He's afternoon, and look at this. In the slot, he's there. And then the follow through. Look at the bat going all.
Mixed doubles.
Well, there's another big shot. Just entertainment galore from the Indian at the moment.
Well, last ball, single on that occasion. 5.
Backs away. What about that? Just opened the face and square drove it.
Of India. Ayan just pulling the length slide.
And he's got his work cut out here with one more. With that lovely drive, follow through and straight.
They pack a power. Good piece of.
Oh, it goes over the top. Man, another big over. 15 from it after 7. It's 55 without.
They would have thought it's the way forward. But this fantastic shot. Ayush Matre, ever since we saw him in the
for 20. then got a half century, and now looking good for another big. There was just one maximum in that UAE. Goes down the ground, hits big, hits low.
Flexing his arms. Afternoon, we all know that's the best time to bat. Middle stump, that's a good shot. Oh, plenty of exercise for the umpires.
Remember this. Both records now in India's name.
This is poor bit of pay bowling by R.N. Saxena. He had to go over the top and place it properly. That's exact.
Goes big, goes long this time. End of the power play. And India have got 80.